When I say poetry, you say lives. Poetry. Yeah. Poetry. Yeah. Poetry. Yeah. All right, there we go. So I'm going to get into this first piece.
Let's go, Sid.
And the train changes tracks. It switches from privilege to non-privilege, from kids that make it to Harvard to those that will graduate high school, from two-parent families to one mother raising 4 kids, or that so-called man on the corner that smokes 4 times a day, but mentally he is 47. 6 murders in 3 hours, and not a single one of you made a sound. Maybe that's why Chicago has the highest murder rate in the country.
Come on, Ted.
The red line is red for a reason. It's the same color as our blood. The 2 O's in blood is the same sound that someone makes when they are wounded, or when a teacher finds out 7 students dropped out of the 9th grade, and I'm at 79. People are starting to wonder, is his name Hussein? Who is he? Yes, I'm saying I'm not a crackhead, so no need for a hospital visit where they'll close off my mind. I'm not a rock that can be burned or a pipe that can be lit the same way twice. So stop building bridges if they go nowhere. And know that the South Side is not filled with gangbangers and drug addicts. Yes, I could own a treasure chest, but it doesn't mean I'm rich. Maybe I've read every book on art, but it doesn't mean I can paint reality when text is frozen in time. Shakespeare won't help me rhyme, and we know Picasso's not going to help me paint. But you can. Because maybe the next time you see me at 63rd, that's how many lines will be in my next poem. And I might perform this piece 87 times before ever writing a new one. And if I can't be 100% perfect, then I'll settle for 95. So I said